I like the magic that Shagun ma'am did. I look very beautiful and very different, and I love the way I look now. 19 I started, and definitely the first time when I came, my face was very different, and from there the journey started, and it has reached now. I know there's more to do, but this is fantastic. I just love it. The face has completely transformed from what it was before, and I love each part of it. Even the nose contour is looking beautiful. The eye, look at beauty as I am not beautiful, everyone is beautiful. That's the message I want to give, because I also had the similar thought. But when I started looking deeper on each and every feature of my face and started transforming it, it gave me a lot of happiness and also a confidence that it's not just the beauty of the way we are born, but there are a lot that can be done, and from within you feel confident and beautiful. So that is the message for everybody, that please try to think differently and explore within yourself. I'm on blood thinners, and blood thinner patients should not be going through a lot of deep injections and all, but ma'am has taken a safety precaution. She ensured throughout the journey that there are no bruises, there are no such side effects or anything. So throughout the journey we ensure that each and every feature that was worked was done in such a way that even if you need to take more sessions, it's fine, but the skin or that particular part of the feature was not it was not swelling, or there was no bruises. So very nicely she understood the concept of the illness that I have and the medicine that I have. She also did some research on it, and then she recommended how we should go about the further process, and based on that I recommend people even on blood thinners can do. It's safe, and also they should try exploring and understanding their own medicine. Speak to ma'am, get that insights, get that consultation. And there is always a fear factor within us that because we are on blood thinner, a small cut, we are going to get a lot of bleeding, but in my case it did not work that way. So if you are interested, please find out your clotting time and all that, and based on that then you can discuss these details with ma'am, and she will very carefully, she will do everything, so you don't have to worry at all. You are in a safe hand, so please trust ma'am and get it done.